Pasukin ang kalawakan at lumawak ang kaalaman para sa film critic at resident curator ng Savage Mind na si Tito Valiente. Ito ang ganda ng pagbabasa ng libro. Kaya sa kabila ng nakakaengganyong mundo ng social media, binuo ni Valiente at Christian Cordero na isang manunulat at filmmaker ang kanilang bookshop taong 2018.
We trusted in the idea that there are many people out there interested in reading books, admiring works of art.
Mahabang proseso at pinag-isipang mabuti ang pagbuo, bagay na dapat mas bigyang halaga ayon kay Valiente.
That book has gone through many hands and many minds. So it's like a pure form, and you would learn a lot. For young people to discover reading, you're entering a magnificent world.
Ang grupo ng mga manunulat gaya ni Valiente at Cordero aktibo sa pagsulong hindi lang ng pagbabasa ng libro kundi pati ang sining at kultura. Noong nakaraang Abril, ginanap ang unang Bicol Book Festival kaisa ang ibang institusyon, LGU at Department of Education. Kasabay nito, binuksan din ang unang art gallery sa Naga City, ang Kamarin. Isang Kastilang salita na ang ibig sabihin ay imbakan. Tampok sa gallery ang iba't ibang obra ng mga artist sa loob at labas ng Bicol, na sina Rox Lee, Frank Peñones, Venancio Igarta, Pocoy Base at Panch Alvarez.
You know the movie Dead Poet Society? May part yung movie when Robin Williams gathered his students. He said na engineering, becoming a doctor, becoming a lawyer, a banker. So those are things necessary to sustain life. But the true meaning of life comes from poetry, comes from art. It's actually what we live for.
Sing Nantes, CSN.